Good morning all. After exercise 9.2, now I'm explaining exercise 9.3. 9.3 is basically about the pattern and the tessellation. What about the patterns? One or more shapes can be repeated to form a pattern. When we are repeating the design, we are repeating the shapes, then what we call it pattern. Or we can make patterns by repeating and extending the shapes. Like here you can see one triangle having, then circle, then again triangle, then again here the opposite side of triangle, then circle. This is the pattern we are making. We are repeating the shapes, right? So like this we have to make the patterns. Now tessellation, design that are made by tiles that fit into one another without any gap or overlapping. These tiles patterns are called the tessellations. Means tessellation means that is the design of the tiles, right? You can see the tiles on your floor, on the walls, right? We are using, so you can see the tiles when we are pasting on the walls, that it cannot be overlap, okay, and we are pasting it at the side of the one tile. So it means, and we are not leaving the gap also, if you can see. So this type of the designing is of the tiling is known as the tessellation. Here examples are here, you can see here we are not giving any space, like this one example and this one example, right? Now we are moving to the that exercise. Now this is our exercise 9.3. Question number 1 is saying only take the pattern that is tessellate. So first here you can see here gap is there, right? Opposite cups are here, but gap is there, so this is not the tessellation. Now here these are, you can see these are in the sequence, but here gap is not there, so this is the tessellate, right? Tessellations. Here you can see gap is there in the tiles, so this is not, so cross. Now here also you can see these are joining and not giving the gap, so this is tessellation, so tick here. Now here see these two design they given, now we have to increase like this, gap will not come. After make like this, make it and then color it. Now this one you can see, this one is given the plus sign, and we have to attach wherever you can see these are boxes, we have to make, right? This was the gap, so here we can make this one tile, here gap, one gap, right? From the gap only we will start the next one tile. This you can only do by your practice, where you can see where we are not able to make any tile, right? Complete tile. So this one you can see this is the half tile is coming. Sometimes you can see on the wall also where the complete gap is no, that space is not there we are pasting the half tile also, like here. So half tile I have pasted here, right? Now here gap is there in both tiles, so this is the box we can cover. After completing it, you can do the color also, or you can leave like this also, but do the practice very well, right everyone?